Jatend Kenya William Ruto omako chung ni Kenya to pod biro chwalo obila e piny Haiti mondo ket kwe e pinyno. Ruto wacho ni chenro no biro dhi nyime nikech tend Haiti nooro kwayo yo makende. Juma mokalo, doho nyocha ong'ado ni chenro mar tero obila Haiti en ataro mar chik. Ruto mane olose boma mar Rome e piny Italy wacho ni chenro no mar tero obila Haiti koro biro tenore e mise mar winjruok moketi e kind pinje ariyogo.
I think there is a misinterpretation of what the court did. You know, the court gave a different option. The court said, okay, don't use the route of the National Security Council going to Parliament and using the route that is given for the military. Use a bilateral route. So the court has suggested that we don't need to go the laborious way. We need simply to have a bilateral agreement between Kenya and Haiti, and that is sufficient for us to deploy our police. We already have a bilateral relations with Haiti. All that needs to be done now is for Haiti to make a request to Kenya, and the mission will go ahead. So that mission can go ahead as soon as next week if all the paperwork is done between Kenya and Haiti on the bilateral route that has been suggested.
Od bura mamalo chano miyo report